Get under the table before we...
Hey! No. Holy crap, we're falling.
Now we're going back up. Man, I'm so glad I'm safe.
Crap, I'm so stuck on a cloud.